Hey, how you guys doing? My name is JD. Just wanted to show you guys how the Accelerate 79 extraction tool works. It's a highly sophisticated process, but it's really simple to use. So basically what you do is you're going to upload a PDF feature or upload a PDF right here. American Casinos, right there. It's going to upload. So right now it's doing a pre-filter and it's going to select all the photo or all the pictures or parts of the PDF that are just financial data and extract that. When I was working in investment banking, this mainly inputting stuff into Excel was very, very time consuming. And we did a survey that basically said that this was the most time consuming process, just mainly inputting this. So my team and I developed an extraction tool that really handles this, and it's very convenient to use. This is pretty much it right here. So it's a really helpful process because now what you're going to be able to do is manually just select all this stuff and then extract all the information into data tables and into Excel. And you can do forward forecasting with this now. You're really going to be able to get your modeling stuff done faster. So it's really, really convenient. So this is pretty much the extraction process. Again, I wish I would have had this when I was working in investment banking. Would have made the process a lot more easier. So to get the thumbprint of the PDF on the right and the actual financial information on the left. You have a graph down here showing just graph information and then a little quick summary right here. Income statement and cash flow statement all right here. Now, the moment of truth is downloading to Excel. And before I do that, you can also come down here and download more stuff, like select more tables that you want to parse. It'll do the exact same process over again. Right, hit the extract button. So now let's go up here, export to Excel. All right, right here. And then it's right there. Perfect. Initial model setup complete. So you'll be able to literally see all the line items as the current assets right here. Be able to do everything in one clean swoop. So again, thanks guys. I wish I really would have had this working in IB. This definitely would have saved me a lot of time. I hope this helps. Go and try out the product. Thank you.